Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to find out if our headlights have the vacuum height regulation. Why do we need to know this? Well, for instance, you have broken your headlight, or maybe you want to change it from the round style to the square one, or vice versa, and it's possible that your car has that option. So obviously if you buy without even knowing what you're buying, then it's possible that you will remove that option from your car. So I will show you now how to find out if it's there or not. Most of you will say, well, it's very easy. If we've got that little tube here, it's where the vacuum gets connected, then obviously there's a vacuum system into it. Well, no. Let me show you why. First, you will have to open it. Like so. Okay? And now, when you look on the inside, what there is? There's nothing. As you can see, this absolutely goes nowhere. Okay, so that headlight, for instance, doesn't have the vacuum system. Now let me show you another one that has it, and that way you will know how to make the difference. So look at this old headlight that I've got here, and now we're gonna look on the inside and you will clearly see the difference, I hope at least. Can you see that round bit here? Okay, this is the vacuum itself. Okay, so when you open your headlight, if you see this, then you know it's vacuumed. Okay, if you don't have this, it is not. Some of you might tell me as well that's easy. Just looking at the inside of the car, you will have the button to adjust the headlight, and if that button is there, obviously you will have the adjustable headlights. Well, no, because maybe over the years, the car would have had an accident, stuff like that, and the headlights would have been changed without the regulations. Like for instance, for this car has the option, but the headlights are not. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have learned something new on the car. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.